Are you ready for Ramadan?
Almost. I'm still preparing.
Have you stocked up on groceries?
Yes, I bought everything yesterday.
What are you planning to cook for Iftar?
I'll start with dates, soup, and samosas.
Did you make any frozen snacks?
Yes, I prepared samosas and kebabs.
Have you decorated your home for Ramadan?
Yes, I put up some lights and banners.
How is your Ramadan meal plan going?
I plan meals for the first week.
Are you making a special suhoor menu?
Yes, I'll make parathas, eggs, and yogurt.
Do you have enough dates for the whole month?
Yes, I bought a big box.
Are you preparing any desserts?
Yes, I'll make rice pudding and custard.
What drinks will you serve for Iftar?
Lemonade, fruit juice, and milkshakes.
Have you planned your charity donations?
Yes, I'll donate food to the mosque.
Are your kids excited for Ramadan?
Yes, they love helping with iftar.
Are you going to the mosque for Taraweeh?
Yes, I'll go whenever possible.
Have you set a Quran reading goal?
Yes, I want to finish one full recitation.
Are you preparing gift baskets for neighbors?
Yes, I'll make some with dates and sweets.
What time is Iftar on the first day?
Around 5:45 p.m.
Do you have enough cooking ingredients?
Yes, I bought extra flour, rice, and spices. Are you planning to reduce screen time? Yes, I'll focus more on prayers.
What's your favorite part of Ramadan?
The peaceful atmosphere and family time.
Do you make any special du'as during Ramadan?
Yes, especially before iftar.
Are you cooking everything fresh daily?
No, I'll prep and freeze some dishes.
Have you planned a family Iftar gathering?
Yes, we'll invite relatives next weekend.
Are you making homemade bread this Ramadan?
Yes, I'll try making naan and roti.
Do you eat heavy or light for suhoor?
I prefer light meals to stay active.
Are you teaching your kids about fasting?
Yes, they're learning step by step.
Do you have new outfits for Eid?
Yes, I bought them last week.
Have you planned your Eid gifts?
Yes, I'll give money and sweets to the kids.
What's your favorite Iftar dish?
I love pakoras and chana chaat.
Do you find Ramadan fasting difficult?
The first few days, but then it gets easier.
Are you excited for Ramadan?
Yes, it's the best time of the year.
Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. What time is the azan today?
It's at 5:45 p.m.
I feel so hungry today.
Me too, fasting was tough today.
Did you drink enough water at suhoor?
Not really, I should drink more tonight. The table looks so beautiful. Thank you. I wanted it to be special.
What are we breaking the fast with?
Dates and water first, as always.
Did you make fresh juice today?
Yes, it's mango juice.
The samosas smell amazing.
I made them fresh this afternoon.
What's in the fruit chart?
Apples, bananas, oranges, and pomegranate.
Do you feel tired after cooking?
Yes, but it's worth it.
What's your favorite iftar dish?
I love pakoras the most.
Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
I like both.
How many minutes left for iftar?
Just 5 more minutes.
Did you finish your Quran reading today?
Yes, I read one chapter.
Are you going for Taraweeh tonight?
Yes, I plan to go.
Did you make any desserts today?
Yes, I made custard with jelly.
Do you feel weak or energetic today?
A little weak, but I'll be fine after Iftar.
Did the kids help with setting the table?
Yes, they arranged the plates.
What's for dinner after iftar?
Biryani and chicken curry.
Do you want tea after iftar?
Yes, I need some chai.
Should we eat slowly after fasting?
Yes, it's better for digestion.
Are you donating food this Ramadan?
Yes, I sent some to the mosque today.
Do you like having soup for iftar?
Yes, it feels so refreshing.
Did you hear the azan?
Not yet, almost time.
What dua should we say before iftar?
The Iftar dua, let's say it together.
How does it feel to fast in Ramadan?
It's challenging but so rewarding.
Should we start with dates or water?
Dates first, then water.
How's your fasting experience this year?
It's going well, alhamdulillah.
Do you feel closer to Allah during Ramadan?
Yes, it's a special feeling.
Oh, the azan started.
Alhamdulillah, let's break our fast.
Bismillah, let's eat.
Yes, finally.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.